Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if your disk card is not opening or launching or maybe not responding in your window. Now there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and end disk card processes in the task manager. To do this, you will have to press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard to open task manager, or at the same time, if you're not comfortable, you can do a right click on the start button and then click on task manager, it should open the task manager on your computer. Once you have the task manager open, you will have to go ahead and identify or locate disk card process. You can do a right click and then click on end task. This should end all the disk card services or processes on your computer. And at the same time, you can go to details. Under details, you can also check if there are any disk card processes running. Usually it would be in alphabetical order. In case if these processes are not in alphabetical order, you can click on name field here and that should arrange the processes in alphabetical order. Locate for discard.exe in case if there is one. What you could do is you can do a right click and then click on end task, and that should end the disk card processes on your computer. Once this is done, you may close the task manager window and then try to open disk card and check if you're able to open disk card. In case if your issue is resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, in spite of trying all this step and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you can run disk card as an administrator. So you can go back to your desktop or to the location where you have your disk card icon. Usually it would be on the desktop, or you can go to the start menu and go to the location. Do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you don't see run as administrator in this list, you may click on show more option and then locate for run as administrator. It will prompt you to, if you want to allow this app to make changes on your device, you may click on yes, and that should launch the disk card app on your computer. Sometimes permission issues affect the app launch. So when you click on run as administrator, the permission issues would fix automatically and you should be able to launch the disk card on your computer. In case if it works, well and good, you can start working on the disk card application. Now, in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and clear disk card cache and app data for your disk card application on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type %appdata% in the command prompt window and then click on OK. This should open the app data folder on your computer. And it will take you to the location. Once you're on this location, you will have to locate for disk card folder and delete the disk card folder. In case if your disk card is up and running, you may close the disk card, and at the same, in case if you're not able to delete this folder, what you could do is you can go ahead and check if there is a disk card services running on the computer. To do this, you can do a right click on the start button and then go to the task manager. In the task manager, you will have to make sure all the disk card processes are not running. So you can go to details. In the details, you can locate for discard.exe. Since I launched the disk card, that's why I have all the exe services running on the computer. You can do a right click and click on end process tree. That will end all the disk card services on the computer. Once this is done, you may close this window and then try to delete the disk card folder and check. To delete the disk card folder, you can do a right click and then click on delete or click on show more option. Once you have deleted the disk card folder under app data, you can close this window and you will have to go repeat the same step in the local app data folder. To do this, you can do a right click and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type %localappdata% and click on OK. Once it takes you to the local app data folder, you will have to locate for disk card folder here. Delete the disk card folder. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and then try to launch disk card application and check if your issue has been resolved. So this should fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step to resolve this issue is you can go ahead and update your Windows on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you may click on Windows Update. Once you're on the Windows Update, you may go ahead and click on check for the updates. You would have an option which says check for the updates. Click on check for the updates. See if there are any updates to be installed on your computer. If there are any updates to be installed on your computer, go ahead and install those updates, restart your computer, and then try to launch Discord and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. In spite of all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you can go ahead and temporarily disable antivirus and firewall on your computer. Sometime the security program may block Discord from running. To disable the security software, you can go to the taskbar at the bottom right corner and check and locate for your security software. In case if you have Windows security, you can do a right click and then click on view security dashboard. Once you have the Windows security open, you will have to go ahead and click on virus and threat protection settings and click on manage settings. Under this, make sure you have disabled the real-time protection temporarily. And then if you get a prompt, you may click on yes. Once this is done, you may minimize this window and then try to launch Discord and check if your issue has been resolved. Now what this will help you to identify is this will help you to identify if the security software is causing a problem. In case if you are able to launch Discord, you may go ahead and enable the real-time protection by going to the security settings. Update your security software. Install the latest update for your security software, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. So that should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you can try to uninstall and reinstall Discord on your computer. To do this, you will have to go to the programs and features. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz.cpl and then click on OK. This should take you to the programs and features window. So basically it will give you the list of programs which are currently installed on the computer. Once you have the list of programs, you will have to locate for Discord. You can do a right click and then click on, or you can select the Discord application and then click on uninstall. Once the application has been successfully uninstalled, you will have to delete the Discord folders from appdata and localappdata. To delete this folder, you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. Type %appdata %. This will take you to the appdata folder. Locate for the Discord folder listed here. Delete that folder and repeat the same step to delete the Discord folder from the local app data. Click on OK. Once you locate the Discord folder, delete that folder, close this window, restart your computer, and then go to the Discord official website to download and install the Discord on your computer. Now all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.